In front of me is a TP-LINK Neffos Y5L, and I'll show you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So, to get started, we will go into settings. So tap on the settings icon, and then go almost all the way down. You can see I'm almost all the way down to accounts. And from here, tap on add account, and choose Google. Give it a second, and you also need to be connected to internet for this to work. Then in the field, put in your email address, which I'm going to put in mine. Okay, once you have done that, you can proceed on. So either tap on next or just enter. And here you'll have to put in your password, so I'm gonna do that off the screen. And I have put it in and proceeded to press next. So from here you basically are presented with Google terms of service, which you need to agree to. On the bottom, as you can see, tap on agree to proceed. Give it a moment. And from here, I have options that I can enable. So automatically backup device data. So that's what you want to do and have it on. Tap on next. And now it's added. And you can also click on it. And from here, you have additional options that can enable or disable. As you can see, they're being actually backed up right at the moment. So yeah. And if you want to not back up something, just turn it off like so, or as for the device that say sync is off, you can enable it, and you can just choose whatever you like to have enabled or disabled in the backup. So that is basically how you enable the Google backup. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.